Is your boat or RV looking dull, faded, or oxidized? No buffing, no repainting required. Restore the shine in just 3 simple steps with Poli Glow. Start with Poli Prep. Dilute 3:1. Water to prep. Spray and scrub away oxidation. Rinse, clean, and re-inspect. For stubborn spots, apply Polyox with a damp scrub pad. Work gently over decals and scrub until the surface looks uniformly dull. Let your boat or RV air dry, or speed things up with our ultra-absorbent buff microfiber towel. Now the magic. Add a few lines of Poli Glow to our dampened microfiber Polymit applicator. Smooth, even strokes, not circles. Layer 10 to 12 coats, letting each one dry for just a minute or 2. Drizzle more Poli Glow onto the mitt between coats. In no time, your boat or RV will shine like new. With simple yearly maintenance, Poli Glow can keep your boat or RV looking glossy for up to 6 years. Save time, save money, and bring back the shine. From dull to dazzling in 3 steps. Poli Glow.
For a gloss that's boss.
See full instructions on our website at www.polyglow.com.